Rippy, I'm over here at Delaware County Fair. It's ain't even 6:30 yet, but I'm over against the fence on the fourth turn, and the big home of the brown jug. We've got the Delaware spelled out in shrubs. They've moved quite a bit of stuff around this year, and this is even a new fence, so that might be why the people who had all the padlocks on there, they got thrown away, and then they're going to have to start all over again. Everyone claims their turf, and they strung crime scene tape, we'll call it, everywhere, and they've marked their spot. They're gonna, they've claimed their. I suppose there's fights. They're not nice people that do stuff, when it's pushy. It's a horse race. I mean, come on. It's a lot of money, I guess, somehow, but a lot of beer and refreshments and vending. So here's a shuttle. I need to go clear back there to go to the mud thing for the trucks, and my vehicle's parked about a mile over that way. That's going to be a long walk at 11 o'clock at night, because the shuttles quit running at 9. So they moved the tractors over here, so we're going to look at some tractors. There's a dyno here on the end under the tent. Some sort of corn shelling demonstration. A couple hit miss engines. I had a 1/4 inch of rain over home. Hoping to go to a farm show tomorrow. And shows this weekend. It's been like summertime weather. Nice. Now this was a big tractor back in the day. 826. Kind of an odd number, isn't it? Getting right up there to the top of the line. A Ford with duals on it, and they're small. They're not 28s. It's sitting down there. I've never seen one with those kind of duals on it, and I'm not sure what this is. They're processing the corn, cutting it up into silage. So yeah, it's a chopper, and people taking pictures of their grandkids. The Whale City, Pennsylvania. All kind of stuff over here. Chicken feed grinding, corn shelling, some rusty tire iron over here. Quite a few tractors. The Tractor Association's tent. Maybe some contest. A few Olivers. Some of this stuff might have been made in Ohio. It's a David Bradley. An old something or other chainsaw, David Brown. A little ghetto cruiser. Blue Ford, a Mustang. That's a big Mustang. Garden tractors. Graveleys. Got a few Graveleys. That's cool. I haven't seen some of them. A Massey 8. A nice row of show tractors. Some more nice tractors. Nice horses. A llama, a couple llamas over there. Camping area. The 620 with a 4-row. Fertilizer boxes and insecticide and all that. I bet that has the comps on it. The 8. I thought they had a 7. and a 10. This one's an 8. And it does. It has that from the 70s, or it might even been the 60s. With a big plastic recoil on there. Really cute deck on it. This is what they used to mow the schools with and stuff back in the day. Industrial. With almost like an automotive shaft. Really heavy duty looking 2510 M H. We'll get around to that case over there. But check out this Ford. It looks like a Toro. He's got car tires on the front. Call him a light truck. With these 8.3, whatever that means. That seems like an odd width. 8.324. 4-ply nylon. Set it right down there, didn't it? Duals. They bolted together. 24s. A nice Massey on the end of 44. Silver King. Someone was saying these are capable of 55 miles an hour on the highway. If you're crazy enough to take it up on there. There's another Silver King with a single front tire. Be pretty dangerous. But those have a big road gear in them. $1950 case. Here's one from, I'm gonna say 1930. And they change colors from the gray to the orange to a yellow. Among other. A rental Class C over there. They go all out for that brown jug, man. It's pretty wild to so yeah, the reason why this Ford's it's a diesel, so it's blue from Europe. Kind of a different looking McCormick here, isn't it?
Time on that run was an 18.416. That concludes the clock.
Ford's 10 Major diesel. And another sweet Massey and a Mini Mo. Over here at Delaware County Fairgrounds. Rippy, checking out the classic tractors.